Why are you making this noise? 3D printing is a harsh, cruel mistress. Just when you think you got everything going good, everything going right, you had a couple successful prints, everything's looking smooth and fantastic, it does this. Who knows? Maybe the noise isn't all bad. Maybe the noise is it's working perfectly. It's definitely not. But it's fun. It's a good hobby. Set it, forget it. Never actually really forget it. You kind of just stand in front of it for, I don't know, 20 minutes at a time until someone yells at you. Anyways, talk to you later.